In today's video, I'm going to review and talk about Eric Fry's latest interview and presentation, Service by that. I'm going to give you an overview of what it's all about in case you're interested in it. And I'm also going to review the free stocks that he actually gave away in the presentation, see how they're doing, because, you know, if these stocks are doing pretty well, then his other stocks that he gives away in his Fry's investment report should do very well as well. So I'm going to reveal how they're doing as well and give you the ticker names as well. And then at the end of the video, I'm just going to talk about Eric Service, Fry's investment report, and just talk about the reports he's giving away, part of his service by that, and just give my sort of views on them and the views on the service, having been a member for about a year or so. So if you're interested in joining Fry's investment report and learning more about Service by that, stay and watch the video. So if you got value from the video, why not like, why not subscribe, why not hype it, so this can help more people that are interested in Eric's service. So with that said, let's get on with it. So like I said, about 6 weeks ago, maybe less, Eric put out his Service by that sort of presentation where he's basically, you know, giving away you know, his picks of stocks to sell and stocks to buy. Now, Eric is a futurist, and basically the big idea really behind the Service by that presentation is really, rather than going for the big bloated stocks like Tesla, Amazon, he's looking for the smaller equivalents that are going to give you much more upside. So this is really what it's all about. It's not sort of going in and buying the bloated stocks that, yeah, they're probably going to go up, but not that much. He's looking for the equivalents of like Amazon, Tesla, you know, and the like, that are going to give you, you know, decent treble digit gains, maybe more in the future. So that is really what this presentation is all about. And even the bigger idea, when you encompass his picks that he's given away in his special reports, if you join Fry's investment report, he's basically doing the Service by that for all of the AI sectors, and I'll talk about that in a minute. If at any point you want to join Fry's investment report, you can do so. Link in the comment description below. You get all of the special reports completely free, just for trying his service, risk-free for 6 months. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. Okay, so with that said, let's reveal these stocks. So the first, I've just got my notes here so I can keep on track. So the first stock Service by that recommendation he gave away in the presentation, completely free, was to sell Amazon and buy Coupang now, which is CPNG. Now Coupang is the Amazon of South Korea. It's projected to have 700% profit growth, like Amazon, buying Amazon in 2005. For the year to date, it is up quite an impressive 43%. So I would say that is a pretty good pick from Eric there. So the second one he gave was the sell Tesla and buy Symbotic. Now Symbotic is a much smaller robotics company. Eric believes their robots are much easier to install in factories, and Tesla's much hyped Optimus AI robot, and also they're easy, you know, they're easy to install, easy to maintain, they're more efficient, they're faster apparently, and there's a $23 billion order backlog. Now Symbotic, this is up 177% year to date. In fact, I would be going deeper on Symbotic because it's, you know, robotics, AI robotics is really going to kick off in 2026. So I'll be watching that like a hawk. Sorry, I forgot to give you all the details for Coupang. Coupang has a market cap of 58 billion, share price 31.92. Symbotic up 177% on the year to date. Just to recap, market cap of only 40 billion. Compare that to the size of Tesla. It's a minnow. Big upside. And the share price $68. Now the last one that Eric gave away was to sell Bank of America and buy Block, which is the, you know, the smaller equivalent of Bank of America. Block is down 7% on the year. But basically there was a big drop at the beginning of the year, but ever since summertime, stock is on the rise. I do believe it's up again 23% since the summer. So it depends really how you look at it. So I'll go and check that out. Market cap of that is 48 billion, share price $80. So saying these are, the free picks he's going to give away in, his presentation, they're not going to necessarily be his best picks because he's going to save up for the people who invest in his Fry's investment report. But I would have to say, pretty impressive gains for free picks, especially Symbotic, which is up 170% year to date. So if you want to check those out, by all means, go and research them. But I'm not saying buy them or anything like that. It's on you if you invest into them. So I'm just going to cover the reports quickly. If you get with his service, buy that bundle, you obviously get 6 months of a Fry's investment report newsletter, which is the core of the service. But you also get a load of free reports. The first one is the optical fiber fortune. You get his top stock pick of the fiber companies supplying AI data centers. So that's the stock pick you get in that. Next one is 24 trillion rise of robotics. You get 3 of the best robotics stocks. These are a lot smaller than Tesla, so they have a lot of upside. Similar to Symbotic, but these are going to be even higher quality. And then you've got the race to AGI. Free stock buys primed to soar when we reach artificial general intelligence, which is just around the corner. One stock to sell before AGI is reached. And then the last one is Energy Swan Song. 3 top energy buys, because a lot of people are overlooking this. These huge AI data centers are energy hogs. They need huge amount of energy to run properly. Hence, this is sort of like the area of the AI boom that a lot of people are overlooking. Don't overlook it. The free energy, the energy companies or sectors you want to be looking at is natural gas is plugging the gap at the moment. And it's going to go to nuclear fusion, then nuclear fission down the road. And the free energy buys that Eric is giving are going to give you plenty of upside. I've read these reports. They're really good. I think all of the stock picks stand a chance to do really, really well. Just like, the free picks he gave in his free presentation. And obviously AI is booming, and in 2026 I think is going to be the year of AI robotics, so keep an eye on that. And I think if you want to keep on top of everything AI, Fry's investment report is one of the best places to be. So you can basically join Fry's investment report, only $49, locks your membership in for 6 months. You get all of these special reports I told you about completely free. Yeah, and you get a 90-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you don't like it, just call customer service or email them, and they'll refund your money in full. So there's no risk and everything to gain. And with AI coming possibly into its most profitable stage, now is the time to join, I believe. I've been a member for about a year. I love the service. I really like Eric's picks because he looks slightly, the equivalents of the large AI stocks or tech stocks, and he looks for the smaller equivalents, so you get a lot more upside. So basically you get really nice treble digit gains. So I'm highly satisfied with the service. I think, my AI portfolio is going to do really well over the next couple of years. So I rate the service. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Really like the service. It's an absolutely fantastic service. I'd give it a try, see if you like it. So if you want to join Fry's investment report, link in the comment description below. Get all of these special reports completely free, just for trying out the service, risk-free for 90 days. $49 to join. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.